Good morning, everyone. Our today's topic is birds around us. I think everyone sees birds. They have wings. Most birds can fly, but not all the birds use their wings to fly, such as ostrich, penguin, kiwi. Especially penguin use their wings to swim, and ostrich use their wings to help them balance when they run. Kiwis' wings are very tiny, that's why they are unable to fly. Eagles can fly high in the sky. Owls prey at night. They sleep during the day. They have big eyes. They can see clearly at night. Now we can solve this. Write the name of each bird under its picture. So here first picture is pigeon. 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 Next is
parrot, Parrot. Then sparrow, Sparrow, sparrow.
then canary. 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 Then kingfisher. King. Fisher. Kingfisher. Then duck. Duck. Then hen. Hen. Then peacock. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. In next page, some questions are given related to this topic, like fill in the blank with the correct words. Words are given. First one is birds have wings. 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 Next, birds build nest. Nest. Birds lay egg. Eggs. Most bird can fly. Fly. Next question is who I am. I can fly high in the sky. Answer is eagle. 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 Next, I can see clearly at night. Answer is owl. Owl. I can swim but can't fly. Answer is penguin. Penguin. I am the fastest running bird. Answer is ostrich. 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 Try to learn all these spellings. In the next page, you can see some pictures are given with its shadows. We will do it with the help of scale. First one is hen, so we will match this with hen's shadow. Second one is kingfisher, so we will match with kingfisher's shadow. Third one is pigeon, so we will match with pigeon's shadow. Next is ostrich, so we will match with ostrich shadow. Last one is sparrow, so we will match with sparrow's shadow. In the next page, one puzzle based question is given. Look at the picture and complete the crossword. You can see some pictures are given. We have to write their spelling only. By this method, it will solve easily. So here, first picture is apple. We have to write spelling of apple. Here first and third letter is given, so we will write only missing letter, that is PLE. So it will make a word apple. Like that we will solve all this. Second picture is peacock. We will write spelling of peacock. P is given, so we will write only EACOCK. Next one is banana. So we will write spelling of banana. B is already written and A is came in the spelling of peacock. So we have to write only NA and A. Next one is marigold. Here M, G and D is already written and O came in the spelling of peacock. So we have to write only A, R, I and L to complete the spelling of marigold. Next one is duck. Here D is already written and K came in the spelling of peacock. So we have to write only U and C. Next one is carrot. Here C is written and A came in the spelling of banana. So we have to write only double R O T. Next one is lotus. Here L is written and T came in the spelling of carrot. So we have to write only O U S. And the last one is radish. Here R is written and S came in the spelling of lotus. So we have to write only A, D, I and H to complete the spelling of radish. Like this, you can also solve this puzzle in your textbook. In the same page, one more question is given. What is missing? Look at the picture below. Find and circle 6 things that are missing. Here, first one is wings of bird, ear of rabbit, shoes of boy, butterfly's wings, monkey's tail, and last one is flower's red dot. Do it in your textbook.